when I started menstruating and needed to discard my pad somewhere, I saw a instruction written that please do not put your sanitary pads in the dustbin. It was so shocking that if we don't put them in the dustbin, where do we put them? Do we just flush them? Leave them there just like that? And then we used to, pack them up in layers and layers of plastic bags. It used to really, irritate me because in the same bag I used to carry my tiffin box. Few years back, while returning from Ahmedabad in a train, I just saw some school girls taking out some plastic packets and throwing them once the train began. I just asked them, what is it that you're throwing it outside? And my God, they narrated the same story. They have no place to discard their used sanitary pads. जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे उनकी तरफ किसी ने देखा ही नहीं था क्योंकि किसी ने उनको बताया ही नहीं था। तो एक जगह देखा तो लड़की ऐसे ही बैठी है पीछे पत्थर पे। Said, ऐसे क्यों बिठाया? कुछ तो दो उसे। You can definitely give her some old cloth or something. Said नहीं है, ये तो थोड़ा सा पानी इवनिंग में डाल दिया काम बन जाता है। ये सिनेरियो है, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा। I just wanted girls to come to school. When I went to the girls' homes, कि क्यों नहीं आते स्कूल में आप?
कपड़े यूज करने से हमें खुजली भी आती है। कपड़ा ही यूज करते थे। रियली ऐसे फुल्ली हम चल नहीं सकते थे, अपनों को बहुत तकलीफ होती थी। ये धोना पड़ता था और ये सब अच्छा नहीं लगता था पहले तो। बहुत डर होता था कहीं दाग ना पड़ जाए।
धोने की झंझट रहती थी। स्कूल जाते थे पर डर डर के जाते थे कि कहीं मेरा अच्छा निकल न जाए।
I realized that there is no sufficient water even to wash those blood-filled clothes. So there was a need for a sanitary napkin which could be disposed of, particularly in a water-scarce state like ours. Girl has to use sanitary pads. It's her need. So I realized if I have to work on this problem, I have to work at awareness, access and affordability. Awareness because nobody knew why they menstruate and why should they keep themselves clean. थोड़ा प्रश्न पूछिए। बोलो कोड़े गमे कोઈને નહીં।
ટાઈમમાં છે તને આ અડકવાનું નહીં, મંદિરમાં જવાનું નહીં, અથાણું के अलग अलग चीज़ें नहीं छूने की, एक साइड में बैठने का। तब थोड़ा गुस्सा ज़्यादा आता था।
બોલો। હા?
આપણા
આપણા
શરીરમાં ઢીલાસ
ઢીલાસ લાગે, કેટલી બધી તકલીફ। બીજું કંઈ કીધું તું?
लड़कों को क्यों नहीं, सिर्फ लड़कियों की क्यों तकलीफ होती है?
પછી પેટમાં દુખે, આપણે છે ને એક એપ્લિકેશન લખીશું કે કેન્સલ કરો પીરિયડ, નહીં જોઈતો, કોઈને નહીં જોઈતો ને, કોઈને નથી ગમતું। Again, the whole issue, there's a big taboo attached to it. Women are not supposed to talk about it. It's all hush-hush. પ્રજનન તંત્ર, આ એક જ તંત્ર આપણા શરીરમાં એવું છે, કામ કરે તો જ નવી પેઢી, નવા સમાજ બનવાનું કામ થાય। આ બની ગયું તમારું ગર્ભાશય, ઠીક છે? હવે ગર્ભાશયમાં ઈંડાભાઈ આવીને બેસવાના, ઘેર મહેમાન આવવાના. તો એવી રીતે જુઓ આપણા ગર્ભાશયને પણ એક સુંદર પાથરણું ઈંડાભાઈ માટે તૈયાર કર્યું. તો આ કચરો છે? તો માનો છો હવે કે કચરો બહાર જાય છે? તો મારે શું કરવું પડશે? નીચવવું પડશે. અને નીચવીને શું થશે? આ શરીરમાંથી કાણા નંબર 3માંથી પીરિયડ દરમિયાન બહાર જાય. હવે જો આટલું બધું કામ તમારી માંસપેશીઓ કરશે તો એ દુખશે ને?
पीरियड मुझे पहले लगता था कि पीरियड एक शरीर का बगाड़ है, पर आज समझ में आया वो बगाड़ नहीं है, वो अच्छा लॉय है.
So there was a need for a sanitary napkin which could be disposed of. So this whole journey began of making sanitary pads. People were startled and bit perplexed that why are you making sanitary napkins? I mean, there are better things to do. Fortunately, I didn't face any much opposition. Rather, my husband, got involved in the project.
So I took it as a challenge, and when I took a challenge, I look into them very critically. When I consider all aspects. What should be the requirement of a young girl or a young lady? It should be cheap. It should be easy to operate.
Such machines which were drudgery free and which could make a contemporary winged kind of a napkin. All the raw material used is made right here. It has to be something similar to the suti kapda that we have been using traditionally. So we use this vegetable-based absorbent organic sanitary pad. When I gathered women to manufacture sanitary napkins, they would say, I mean, what do we tell at home? What are we making? No, this cannot happen.
नहीं, मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा था. ऐसा नहीं सोचा था कि मैं पेड़ बनाऊंगी. उसके बारे में मेरे को तो बहुत शर्म आती थी. सिर्फ मैं जेंट्स को भी समझा सकती हूँ, लेडीज को भी समझाती हूँ, और मेरे को अब शर्म कुछ भी नहीं आती है.
Women could work very comfortably on those machines, so rate of production was very high. Encourage these women to make a sanitary napkin, use it, sell it, and make some money for themselves. When we tried to, have some awareness program, first women would come all, with lamba ghungat. They would sit first 2-3 minutes, and the moment I would start with masik pali ya periods, everyone would just get up and vanish, go away. It happened for months together, and somewhere, sometime it clicked that yes, this is my problem, this is everybody's problem. ખાલી શરમાયા ના કરશો, ના તો શરમાઈ લો. 5 મિનિટ આપું છું, પછી બોલવા માંડો. પેટમાં દુખે તો એ સાઈડમાં થઈ લો. થોડું ઊંચા સુધીને हाँ, ठीक है. उसको हक बताया. हाँ, ठीक है.
सबसे पहले मेरे को कुछ नहीं मालूम था. मैंने मम्मी को बताया, तो मम्मी ने बोला कि जाओ घर पे कपड़े होंगे ले लो बस. और मम्मी के सिवा कोई नहीं जाना. गांव में तो इतना है कि घर में जितनी औरतें रहेंगी उन्हीं को मालूम पड़ेगा. आदमी लोग को मालूम नहीं पड़ने देते हम लोग.
Making pads and giving it to women, popularized them. Suddenly they stopped, and they said the entire village hates us.
Da dinna da.
कैसा लगता है? गंदा है.
Da dinna da.
नहीं, वो तो खुला फेंक के चले जाते हैं.
Da dinna da.
वो सब कचरे, सब कुछ कचरे में आते हैं। पेंट है और लेडीज़ का सब कुछ है, ये भी आता है।
Da 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 dinna da.
रास्ते पर वो सब चीज़ें दिखाई देती थी, तब हमें ही हमारी शर्म आती थी, क्योंकि देखने वाले की आंखें।
Da 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 dinna da.
हाँ, कुत्ते उसे खींच के ले जाते हैं, वो बहुत गंदा लगता है। हमारी वजह से ही हुआ है नहीं।
कोथरी में लपेट के पत्थर डाल के तालाब में पानी में फेंक देते हैं। पानी तो गंदा होने ही वाला है ना, जो जैसा वैसा मैं हकीकत बता रही हूँ, छुपा तो नहीं रही हूँ।
तब हम उसको जला देते थे वरना डांट देते हैं। अच्छा नहीं लगता था और ये एक टेंशन वाली बात है कि ये कहाँ रखे और इसका निकाल क्या है।
It is definitely risky because rag pickers they pick them up, और हमारे वहाँ ऐसी कोई प्रथा नहीं है कि रैग पिकर्स ग्लोव्स पहन के पिकअप करते हैं। वो अपने खुद नेकेड हैंड से पिकअप करते हैं। उनको कुछ भी डिजीज़ हो सकता है, उसमें अगर पैड्स, ओल्ड पैड्स वहाँ पे जमा हुए रहते हैं, उसमें बैक्टीरिया भी पैदा हो जाते हैं उसके आसपास, एंड इट इज़ डेंजरस एंड हैज़र्डस टू द हेल्थ।
But see, many of the schools, colleges were already complaining that we don't get cleaners because they refuse to pick up sanitary napkins or dustbins full of sanitary napkins. So there had to be a solution.
How to dispose it of? Hygienically, every girl or lady using napkin is necessary. Blame should not be them that ladies are spoiling the environment. And it is our challenge that they continue, but we offer the solution for their problem. My thought was it needs to be burned, and it needs to be burned in our own condition. It should be cheap because I want it to reach to so many people. It should be easy to operate because those girls possibly may not have been exposed to various techniques.
Da 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 dinna da.
It doesn't require any fuel like gas, electricity. Napkins of my company or any company are mainly made out of paper products. They themselves burn. Temperature was not rising above 300. So at that temperature, synthetic part जो है, it doesn't convert into any toxic fumes. Environmentally, it is very safe. To facilitate the burning process, I need to see that enough oxygen is supplied. I had a false bottom made inside. Used napkins are assembled on the false bottom, which is nothing but a big jali. What happens is all the papers will catch fire, the flames will rise, and the height is so adjusted that the flames will ignite the napkins. They burn and they reduce into small amount of ash. The chamber, which is nothing but a collection chamber as well as burning chamber, automatically it gets empty for the next day use.
So I thought that we can implement in all the schools. It is durable and it is economical. The waste does not go out in dustbin.
ये पेट जला देता है और इसकी राख कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता उससे, इसलिए वो तो फेंक देते हम। और वो कुत्ते जो खींच के ले जाते थे, लोग देखते थे, वो नहीं होता। इससे ये अच्छा है।
अब लड़कियां घर पे नहीं रहती, अब लड़कियां हर काम में भाग लेती है।
Now no more. Now they have all the freedom to use a sanitary napkin, change it, dispose it, and be happy.
So actually we should have met that early.
Yeah. ओरे सखी तू तो मारी साची रे सहेली रे, ओरे सखी तू तो मारी साची रे सहेली रे, भारे मारी जिंदगी ने करी ते तो सहेली रे.